Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate the simple process for removing a card from your Trello board. To begin, select the specific card you want to remove and locate the Power UPS icon. Click on it, and then choose the option to add more Power UPS. In the search window that appears, type Card Delete and select the appropriate tool from the results. Hit the Add button twice to integrate this feature into your workspace. Once it is added, you will need to log in using your Trello credentials. Scroll down to the bottom of the authorization page and select Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Proceed by clicking Next. You will now need an Aura account to continue. If you do not have an account yet, select Sign Up and enter your email address. Create a secure password that includes both uppercase letters and special characters. Then hit Continue. Select the option to return to your board and enter the card interface once more. Navigate to the Power UPS section where you will now see a Delete Card option. Click it and confirm your choice. Keep in mind that this action is permanent and cannot be reversed. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.